Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Madison and this is Mad's Makeup. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply false eyelashes. For a lot of people, applying false eyelashes is a deterrent for them to do their makeup, and I want to show you guys how easy it is to apply false eyelashes, even if you are new in makeup or if you have been doing it for a long time. So if you want to see how to apply false eyelashes, then keep watching this video.
Starting out by curling my eyelashes just so they are not straightforward, and then applying some mascara so they're not too light and look the same color as the lashes. And then the lashes I'm using are called Flawless by Azeredo Cosmetics. And right now I'm just measuring that my eyelashes are going to fit my eye, and then I'm cutting them to the correct eye shape so they're not too long or too short. Now, taking my eyelash glue, I like to use the brush-on kind. I'm going to be applying this all along my lash band and then letting this dry till it's tacky. And usually you can tell it's tacky when it turns from blue to clear. And then I'm going to be laying this right along my eyelid, right above my eyelash line. Now I'm going to be taking some tweezers to put those eyelashes as close as I possibly can to my line so there's no gap in between where the band goes and where my actual eyelid starts. And I'm just doing at the front of my lashes and then also at the back and squeezing that together as best as possible. Now I'm taking this eyelash applicator to be squeezing my lashes with my falsies and my reel so they are more seamless together, and I'm going to be naming all these products that I'm using down in the description bar. And to finish off the eyelash application, I'm just taking a liner to cover the lash band so my eyelashes look like they are part of the full eye look.
So I hope you guys all have a better understanding on how to apply false eyelashes, and if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you could subscribe to my channel, it would mean the world to me. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. Bye!